everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at my allotment again, and what I'm going to be doing today, I'm just going to be planting some plants, some different kinds of fuchsias. These I'm just planting so that I have along the back row, just to attract like the bees and that, because once you start planting you need something. So I've got a different variety of fuchsias. This one's a snow cap. I've got General Monk and Fuchsia Display. These ones is Miss California and Leonard Dalton, Ringwood Market, Annabelle. Just got a big selection of them. Son of Thumb, Harry Gray, Heidi Han. I also got a selection of climbing. This is a climbing Ambuton Megaton. Don't know what that is, but you can see it's got a couple of flowers on that one already. Got some climbing Clematis. This one's Montana Alba and John Paul II. This is climbing Clematis Greenus, and I've got a couple of blueberry bushes to put next to my figs. This is a Alpina Blue Dancer. Oh, I said that one, Greenivers. And this one's Chisio Wisley Cream. So that's what I'm going to be planting in these two patches. I'm going to be getting some more. I'm going to be putting some up the front and everything, but you'll see those in future videos. So this you already saw me dig this up and put some gladioli bulbs in there, but I don't know if the gladioli bulbs was any good or not, because they were really quite dry and firm. So I'm going to put these in as well, so that I can get a nice display of flowers when I come down there. If you want to come down and have a sit down, you can do that. So I'm going to put some of these in, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Got one out, you can see they're nice plants, got nice rooting system on them and everything, and hopefully those should come up and give a nice display down here. So I'm going to get these in the ground, and then I'll show you how. I'm just going to put them randomly. I'm not going to put them in any patterns or anything like that. I'm just watching for my gladioli bulbs, which straight away I've got one there. I'm just having a look at the gladioli bulbs. I'm not sure if these are going to come to anything, because they're still, although they're damp, they're still quite tough, but we'll leave them and see. So that's what I'm going to have to watch out for, where I'll put my gladioli bulbs. I'm not sure. That's the first one in, and then once I finish, I'm going to give these a good watering in. I think what I should do, the climbing ones, I wanted it to go and run wherever it feels like running, so that it covers the area, but with these stinging nettles are on the other person's ones, it's not on my one, so it's a bit difficult at the moment. That's a blueberry. This is a Clematis Greenivers. It's just to give a bit of a display, so you know you come down, you feel comfortable, you know you can sit down and have a rest. See, you've got nice root systems on that already as well. So I'm going to stick this one up near the post, so if it wants to run, it can run up the post. These stinging nettles, I don't want them to sting me. That's the only thing I don't want to sting me, because otherwise I'll go home and I'll be itching all day, and then my back will be killing me as well. So that's a Clematis. This is a Harry Gray. I'm not going to film everything. Once I finish, I'll show you what it all looks like. But I'm just getting them in. and then water them in afterwards. So they've got nice root systems on them, so just going to plant them randomly. So I'll get a nice display when they come up. Watching for those gladioli bulbs as well while I dig in as well. The other thing I forgot to bring when I was coming, I don't know if slugs will eat these or touch these leaves, because you know as soon as you start planting things they turn up. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to just be planting some randomly, and once I've done them I'll be back with you in a minute. Everyone, I've got these randomly planted and I'm just watering them in now, as you can see. I've not put them in no sequence thing. I've got to sort out my O's, but lucky enough there was a couple of watering cans left there, so I've got to just water this O section because of the gladioli bulbs what's down there as well. Got to keep them. I don't know if they will come up or not, but if not, then at least I've got something here. Right, and I've planted some up here as well. Planted a couple of blueberry bushes as well. Put some more water on the fig. If you seems like some of the videos skipped, it's my camera's playing up. I don't know what's wrong with it. I'll have to check it out when I get in. I don't know what I'm going to do about these stinging nettles, but I've got to do something because there's just a lot of them around the place. Right, so that's those. So I've got one more task to do before I go, and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, everyone, so what I've got here, I've got another bucket. This I'm going to put in my greenhouse to get going. I've put some. As you can see, I let my cameraman come in with this dirt here. This was here when I came. Let me see if I can get a bit out now. I've used up most of it already. It's like a sand, so it's nice and loose. So that's what I need for these. So I've got some compost down the bottom of this, and I'm going to mix this in. I'm going to put in some bloodfish and bone, some Epsom salt, and I'm going to put in the chicken manure pellets. Just put them in because I can top that up when I get in. Just mix that in. You saw a video when I got the okras, or OCA. The person sent me back some replacement ones because some of them what he sent me weren't looking too good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plant them in this container. Then I'm going to put this container in my greenhouse for now until when it starts coming through, then I can bring it out. So I'm just going to randomly put them. They've started to kind of sprout already, so I'm not burying them too deep because these are grow under the ground, so not putting them in too deeply. So I'm just putting them in randomly, and I'm just going to lightly cover them with this grit mixture because I think this is the right one for it. This has got like some sand and everything in it, so this will make it nice and easy for the root system of the okras. As you can see, I've still got the problem over here as well with the stinging nettles and everything. Putting not too thick of a layer on it, just putting a even layer on it. And then I'm going to put this bucket, water it and put it in my greenhouse at the back and just leave it there and see what happens. Just water it every time I come down here, I put some water in it. So if you like this video, please remember to like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. Leave any comments what you have in the comment section. press the notification bell so you can get noticed when we dropped new videos, and keep watching the channel, and thanks for watching. And oh yeah, there's one more thing I want to ask, if any of you know what this is. I've got this growing here. It looks like some kind of a veg or something. So it's going up the tree, and then I was gonna take it down, but then I see it's got these on it, and someone said to me, once you see something with those on it, then it's some kind of a veg or something. So that's why I left it, but I just wanted to find out exactly what it was. If anyone on the channel knows, just leave it in the comment section what it is. Let me get one of the leaves so you can see what the leaves are like. That's what the leaves look like. So if you know what that is, just let me know if it's something to keep or something to just get rid of. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care of yourself.